The Nuie Rene brushed brass sliding shower door 1000mm will turn your bathroom into a refined retreat with its gorgeous brushed brass finish and the practicality of a sliding door design. With a 385mm entry width, you have easy, convenient access to your shower without needing the space for a door to open outwards. The 6mm toughened safety glass provides increased durability and safety, giving you peace of mind while going about your daily routine. The reversible sliding door allows for left or right-hand opening and can be used with a side panel or in a recess to create the showering space of your dreams, which is easy to maintain thanks to the quick-release wheels. Complete the look with matching accessories for a cohesive bathroom aesthetic. Elevate your daily routine with the Nuie Rene brushed brass sliding shower door, where style meets functionality effortlessly. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.